life in Waterloo region can move pretty fast. From school drop-offs to morning meetings, we're all trying to get somewhere. But day or night, it's important to remember that we all share the roads. Lower vehicle speeds save lives and help reduce serious injuries in a collision. That's why the region of Waterloo is adding municipal speed cameras in school zones across the region. If a vehicle is traveling over the posted speed limit, the camera will capture an image of the vehicle license plate, recorded speed, posted speed limit, location, and date. Once verified, a ticket will be mailed to the vehicle license plate owner. The ticket is a fine only, and no demerit points will be issued. The ticket will list the available options to pay or dispute a ticket. It is quick and easy to pay a fine online, or you can pay by phone or in person. By 2028, we aim to have one in all eligible school zones. Where needed, a municipal speed camera may also be used on regional roads designated as a community safety zone. Remember to always follow the posted speed limit. Not only will you avoid getting a ticket where municipal speed cameras are located, following the posted speed limit helps to ensure safer neighborhoods, where kids, families, and neighbors can walk, roll, and cycle safely. Let's protect our community together.